Landmark College Library provides access to over 30 specialized academic databases for current students, faculty, and staff. This allows in-depth access to thousands of full-text articles and summaries from popular magazines and peer-reviewed academic journals, information not usually freely available on the Internet. To access the databases, click on Article Databases and Journals from the main library page. This brings you to a comprehensive alphabetical listing of all databases and journals. If you know the name of a magazine or journal and want to see if it's held by one of the databases, simply click on Full Text Finder and enter the name of the journal or magazine you're looking for. Databases can be subject-specific, like ArtStore for art and architecture, or PsycInfo for psychology. Or they can be multidisciplinary in nature and good for lots of different topics, like Academic OneFile or Academic Search Premier. The most efficient way to search the majority of the library's databases and all its print holdings is by using Discover. Discover can be accessed two ways: simply clicking on the D from the alphabetical listing and then click on Discover, or by accessing it through the main library webpage. Once there, click on Advanced Search. Doing an advanced search in any database will allow for a more structured search experience, which allows for more control over where you tell the database to search for the words and phrases entered. Simply enter one word or one phrase on each line. Let's do a general search for insomnia. Let's tell the database that we want it to find the word insomnia in the title. We'll limit it then to full text. Other ways to limit your results include peer-reviewed, available only in the library collection or catalog, or by the date published. For now, we'll simply limit it to full text. Over 15,000 results were returned. The first one is a research starter on the topic of insomnia, essentially an electronic encyclopedia article that can be a very helpful place to start when you don't know much about a specific topic. You can see there are a number of different source types listed as well. Let's narrow down our search and add to it, and search for college students and insomnia. And let's tell the database to search for the term also in the title. You can see that quotation marks were placed around the term college students, and that will simply tell the database to keep that phrase together. "27 results were returned." And under the source types, 19 academic journals were returned. We'll narrow it down to only academic results, and you can see that although it said 19 journal results, only 8 came up, and you'll note that it says exact duplicates were removed. Some results will have both HTML and PDF full text. HTML will have the text right in the database page. In many cases, there will also be an option to listen to the article, which can be helpful if you want the article read to you. A number of different tools are on the right, including the ability to print and email your items. You can also get your citation here. And finally, if you want to save a link to the article, click on Permalink and save the link that pops up right here. Please never save this because it is not a permalink and it changes all the time. If you have any questions about the databases and how to use them most effectively, please contact the library front desk. Contact information is on the library homepage.